What's up guys, for today's video we're going to change up a little bit content. As you know, I put to the test gadgets all the time, and part of my jobs that you guys don't see, that I sit on a computer and look for all these weird, unique, cool gadgets to show it to you, to put them to the test all the time. So these boxes right here, probably in just 3 days, that's it. I get a ton of boxes every single day. Sometimes more, sometimes less, depends how busy I am. So I figured, why am I opening these boxes? Why don't I open it with you? Because some of the gadgets I don't put to the test 2 or maybe 3 years in advance. Some of them right away, most of them right away. Or some gadgets don't even make cut because it fails or I just lose interest with that. So I figured, why not do a little bit of unboxing, what my life looks like when I order these gadgets from online, and then I unboxing them before I put them to the test. So this is a little bit new content. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully I'll do this quite often. Make sure you give this a thumbs up if you like it. There's a lot of boxes. There is more on the floor. I just couldn't fit all on the table just for the thumbnail right here. Also, you gotta remember, all this cool stuff is for my videos. It's an investment for YouTube channel because it takes money to make money, right? Anyways, let's unbox it and see what we got. By the way guys, the coolest part about this YouTube channel, I get to play with all this unique stuff and I get to keep them if I want to. A lot of times I do donate kitchen gadgets that I don't use at all. But anyways, I honestly even forgot what I buy. I buy so much stuff. I go through so many gadgets every day. I don't even remember. Boom. First, we got here egg boiler in the microwave. 4 of them. I have put to the test 1 before. It worked. So this is going to be in the future kitchen gadgets. What is this? This is bottle koozies, but they're tactical, what do you call it, bulletproof vests. So they came in 2 of them. I don't need to put it back in a box. Ooh, you all know what it is? When they first came out, I mean, most of you probably never seen it before. I do a lot of research. When they all came out, it was like $1,000 knife set here. You see how they come out, and they are very, very neat. Check this out. We're gonna put them to the test, and it comes with a board in the future kitchen gadgets. Now they're like $69. It used to be very expensive. Okay, let's open up a couple of bags. I have rediscovered eBay. Oh, I wonder what it is. That's an axe. So I do buy a lot of stuff on eBay as well, especially like vintage axes and tools. Like, check this out. This thing right here costed me around $400. Some of them go for $700. This is a knife right here, and there is attachment axe, and they interchangeable. I have no idea how to use it yet. We will have to put it to the test for separate video in the future. So you guys kind of learning with me what's up with this content. I might put some things to the test that is kind of simple things in this video, unbox little things, but some complicated stuff, it'll be actual video. So it's like a little preview what I got and what I'm going to be filming in the future, and who knows, it could be not near future. So I have here Amazon Prime. I love Prime. You order a gadget, they come here in 2 days. Oh, this is funny products. This one of those hair cutting thing. I shave my hair all the time. Could be useful, so we'll see. Oh, this is funny products. I'll open it to show it to you guys real quick, because you know you guys love weird stuff from Amazon. So I'm looking for more gadgets that are funny, so you can lift your beard up, drink, and then close it back up, stay warm. So like little octopus head. So constantly looking for ideas like that. This is super cool, funny stuff. And a lot of times I buy gadgets like that, I think they're cool and they don't make the cut in the video. Oh, this is cool, check this out. This is axe. It's like almost folding axe, but it's a folding guard axe. Like, you see this right here, I bought it. I thought I'm gonna do 5 weird axes compilation, but I now only have 2 weird axes. So, and this is almost too simple to make a video about it. It is super cool, very unique vintage axe, but I don't know in what video compilation should I put it in. So I might just put it to the test, show it to you in one of these unboxing videos, that there's axe built-in cover, folding axe in a way, and then just move on with my life with the different ideas. So this is why I thought, why not make these unboxing videos, what I get, that way you guys get a little preview. This is, I discovered something very recently. This is a knife, as you can see. I'm not gonna open it, and instead of a regular knife, you hold it like that and chop it like that. We'll see, chop carrots and stuff. We'll see if it's worth it, because this is super unique. Also, I've been buying stuff from eBay from different countries. It's so much fun. I love eBay. What is this? I don't even know. Could be from fan mail. I do have a couple boxes from fan mail. I'm just gonna put them into these videos as well. So if you guys wanna send me fan mail again, I still get a lot of boxes, but I stopped making videos. I'm gonna put fan mail unboxing into this content as well. Just like high speed unboxing fun stuff. Oh, okay, cool. This right here, I remember, this is from eBay. This is going to be credit card knives. Whoa, this is so cool. I cannot wait to put it to the test. This is a sneak peek. And I love the casing it came in. Boom. Okay, next. I have to fly through these packages because I have a lot. Ooh, we got something awesome. I can't believe how fast it comes in. Used to be eBay so slow. I just bought it like 3 days ago, and this is a viral TikTok content, and I jumped on it. This is, guess what? I don't know if you guys watch TikTok, but this is money sock. I bought a ton of them. This is just only 3 came in. I think I bought 9 of them, and it's real money in every bar of soap, and between 1, 5, 10, 20 and $50 bill. This is like a mystery winning thing. You see there's a soap, see-through soap, and inside of it, it's like a little packet of money. This is gonna be a cool video. I'm not gonna unbox them today. Okay, couple small packages. Ah, I hate those peanuts. Usually those are from eBay. They make such a mess. Anyways, see what we got here. Completely forgot. What is this? I have no idea. Obviously it came from eBay. And yeah guys, it makes that much mess every time I unbox stuff. This is like soap money, some kind of printed money over here. Ooh, no! This is super cool. This is, I probably won't even be filming in a separate video. It's not going to be cool enough to make a separate video. It will be just in this video. This is silver bars. For those people who stock silver, probably will be super interested. This is 3 1-ounce coins, but they are stackers. Let me show you how they work. So silver is about 18 bucks per ounce. For smaller coins, this thing goes for about $21, and boom, you got right here a line, and it says 2 3-ounce fine silver stuck around. Scottsdale mint. This is very popular mint. And let me open them all and put them together and show you guys how cool these stackers are. So usually coins stack up, but they kind of fall. But you see there's indent in here. So whenever you line them up, they stack perfectly. Boom, boom. And you can keep stacking, and because they lined up so well inside of them, you can make them super tall. This is why they call it stacker rounds. So cool. So people who love to invest into silver, I thought that was a super unique silver rounds. I don't really invest aggressively, but I do love silver coins and unique bars and rounds like that. Anyways, this probably won't be a separate video for that. Next package came from Russia. Ooh, I think I know what it is. This is my pretty cool idea I come up with. Also, I would love to keep it for myself as well. This is the best part of videos I get to film whenever I'm actually wanna have this kind of stuff for myself, and I get to do a video on them. This is a Soviet Union lighters. So before Soviet Union fell apart, they used to make stuff. And there's even logos of Soviet Unions. Look at this very unique Soviet Union lighters. Boom. And pretty sure all of them working. Let's try it out. It sparks, probably just need gas because shipping type of stuff, you gotta be careful. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be one more coming in. We'll put them to the test in the future. Lighters from Soviet Union. I'm sure a lot of people interested. See what we got here. Ooh, nice. You know what? This is accessory packs. You all know I collect, if you follow my second channel, I collect sea Russian or any kind of Russian military cigarette. And you know what? Those videos are not super popular, so I'm gonna combine to make the content look better into here. Looks like I got the same thing, I already have Wilston thing. And people also collect random stuff inside there as well. So these things by itself go for about $40 to $120 on eBay. Very good condition right here. So put that to the side. Did not get lucky this time, but it's okay. I have more. We'll unbox them. We'll see what kind we'll get. Little box over here. Oh wow. Oh, nice. Nice. This is what I'm talking about. But this one, soap it up. I already have these ones. Lucky Strike, Newport, and Pall Mall. This is all in 1960s military, United States military cigarettes. I bought these things before I opened up Newport and Lucky Strike, so I'm pretty much going to have two collections at the same time. Okay, let's see what's in these bigger boxes. Oh, nice. This is vintage. Look at that. Credit card size knife right here. That's the second one. I'll put them in a pile. I love eBay because you can find some unique stuff. There's another package from eBay. Let's pop this open. See what we got here. Bunch of newspaper. Looks like some kind of balsam. What is this? This is so awesome. I'm telling you guys, it's like buying yourself presents. I love YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting me. Gosh, what is this? This is highly packed. Very jiggly. Man, it's a, oh, nice. Oh my gosh, this is accessory packet cigarette matches inside of this. This is from 1950s. These cans right here go for $350 up to $500, depends on the condition. I think I paid for this one $300. And cigarettes inside of these ones way bigger. I might do a video by itself for my second channel or make a whole bunch of them in the future. Those are super rare items. And I see some people did unboxing of those cans. They got over 1 million views. This is so cool. Oh, look at that. Another, this is 1941 US Army Field Russian CB unit. Look at this amazing condition. Wow, I never seen a better condition Almost don't want to open it. Should I open it? I might in the future. Again, for the second channel. Maybe I'll put this together and open them in one video to make better content so you guys enjoy it. Okay. Boom. So yeah, this can also was $300. So for this too was over $700. So it's expensive to make videos, and whenever your video only gets 100,000 views, you barely breaking it even. So you gotta be super careful what you buy. I mean, I guess I'm talking to myself. Ooh, nice. This is sea Russian, the best quality. You know, sea Russians usually have stains. I probably don't even gonna open it, keep it into my collection. And the pocket almost blue. Usually they brown. I mean, not blue, like super dark brown. And this is 1969 sea Russian. So I never opened one before. It might be a separate video. I think never had one of these years sea Russians, and they're very different, as you can see, every year. Let's open up this bigger box, see what we got here. This is so much fun, because again, it's like opening mystery present box, because you just forget after buying so many of stuffs. I don't want to ruin it. Man, there is a pocket. What is this? What is this? I really have no idea. Okay, this looks like a crate. Oh, okay, this is so cool. I'm going to do champagne bottle opener gadgets. Check this out. One, this side here, something I never seen before. You got here wires to cut the champagne. Then you grab the champagne cork like that and open it. And there's a screwdriver and looks like a wrench, but bottle opener. A little bit damaged, but wine champagne stopper. So I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos of champagne bottle opener, vintage ones, because this one, as you can see, also vintage. Okay, let's see what we got here. I might have to break this video in half and stuff, because this is long. This is right here from Fun Mail, actually. Yep, it says Crazy Russian Hacker. If you guys wondering what's my PO box, it's links in description. I mean, not links, it's the name of it. Best sponge holder. Okay, it's gonna go into my kitchen gadget. So looks like some kind of brand send it to me. I like very unique stuff. I kind of don't like it when it's just simple gadget, just boom, and it's stuck there. So okay, cool. The sponge holder, you know, there it is, simple as that. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't like putting to the test gadget like that, because it's just too simple. It has to do something, you know. Okay, let's see what we got here. More sea Russian packs. These ones aren't open. You know what? Let's see if we're going to get something new real quick. Marlboro, no way, this is awesome. Mint condition Marlboro. This is what military in 1960s guys used to get. Marlboro, that's cool. Now I have a second one, I already have that one, but I think this could be a little bit better condition. Another Pommel. I have so many of them, and you know it's cool. People do collect other stuff. I never seen this one before. This is so different. This is gum right here. Always different gum. People collect gum too. But yeah guys, Marlboros go for a lot of money by itself. On the back right here it says, why I love them, it says tax exempt for use of US, not to be sold. So this was straight up made for military, and right here Pall Mall says over here a little bit different. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Another eBay box over here. Oh, so this side here, look at that, says on over here cigarettes. This went for a lot of money as well, 300 something dollars. This is also 1950s, and this one is even more rare than this one because it's a pack, not a can, and it's same years. This is super unique. So I'm gonna open that later because it's just too expensive. Okay. So you guys can be looking forward to those videos. Looks like another, I think, champagne opener. Oh man, they really sealed it up. So I was browsing to eBay. I thought that was very unique. You got that here, super thick wine opener, knife for the cork to be removed, and this side here is for the champagne, to put it in between the cork and just pry open and fly away. So that's my third vintage champagne opener. I'm gonna turn it into here. Okay, there's another flat box right over here. It's supposed to be easy to open it here, I guess not. Man, it's raining. I love when it's raining. It sounds so good over here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, more peanuts, but yeah, I hate those peanuts. I'm gonna try to keep them in the box. What is this? Some kind of survival tool. Hopefully there's nothing else. I'll keep it in a box because they make too much mess. Oh my gosh, there's over here such a big mess with boxes. So that's what I'm saying. I have to open up all that stuff. I figure why not make a video at the same time. Okay. Man, they pack it like crazy. Ooh, this is something so cool. I just recently discovered. Have no idea how it works, but this is, you won't believe it. Can you guess? This is military folding machete. So I'll have to also learn how to use it and how to work it, and then we're going to go in the woods and put it to the test, to chop things. Again, maybe I'll combine them, few of them later, make a compilation, whatever. This is how I do stuff. I think something is super cool. I order it and then I wait for many months to make a video of it. Okay, no way. More money. Is this the same brand? Nope, this is a little bit different. As you can see, this money soap and this money soap is completely different brand. So wanted to put to the test different brands. We'll see who payouts the most. And here another little box. I'm getting tired. I think over there on the floor I have a lot more gadgets. I might have to put to the test in the future. Oh, no way. More money soaps. That's awesome. They all came in one, like, same time. It was different sellers, but as you can see, this brand, that last one was exactly the same. And I have here 9 money soaps. Hopefully we'll get a whole bunch of 50s in here, 20s and 5s. None of the ones, we don't want that. Each bar was about $18, some of them $30, depends. So we'll see if we'll make our money back. I'll calculate together how much money I have invested in them. Okay, couple more boxes. Ooh, this one is heavy. I know what it is. This is another silver bar, but stacker. Same brand as the other one, but 10 ounces each. Again, I think this is so awesome, and I'm super interested in this kind of stuff, but I don't think a lot of people are into this kind of silver stuff, or my just content should be a little bit more epic in a way. So I'm just gonna keep it only in this video, maybe separate video for Facebook only. So again, should be wearing gloves. This is, ooh, look at that. Scotland silver. I love these silver bars because I don't know if you can see it. They have this very unique different colors on them. And this is probably one of the most expensive mints out there. They said here 10 toy ounces. So 10 multiplied by $18, $180 each minimum. But because this is such a unique stacks, you see there's a serial numbers, very cool. And you can stack them, and you see, because there's a lip, they're not gonna slide. Compared to the other bars, if you stack it up, they might fall over. This is the coolest items ever, and they sell them completely different sizes. Stack them up. Love that. I just wanted to show it to you quickly, but I didn't know in which video. Now you know. Okay, and one more huge box over here. The biggest and the last for the best, I guess, you know. I don't know if it's gonna be the best, but how do I open this? Also, I gotta be careful. This is the weirdest packaging ever. They probably used the whole tape roll. Oh wow, okay, this is so cool. This is very, very unique. Put it over there. Boom. This is not United States survival kit, military survival kit. This is a different country. And this is a tooled survival kit backpack. Not really sure how to open it. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. Let me know what channel should I put it, on my main channel or second channel. I always debate with myself what channel should I put it on. And I forgot what country it is because it's been a while since I ordered it. And of course, when I actually going to put it to the test, you guys will see. Let me push this camera down. Wow, look at that. This is brand new. Look at these tools. You guys see it? There's tools inside of the bag. There's a big shower tool. This is like brand new, never been used. Pliers, ropes, flashlight, super thick blanket. Ooh, look at that. Flask. Ooh, look at this axe over here. I'm not gonna open it, and a hammer, so that's why it's so heavy, and there is an explanation of it. We'll have to unbox it all the way and put it to the test in the future. I'm not gonna show you guys anymore. Quick sneak peek. Look at that. Boom. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I have a lot more boxes. By tomorrow I have a lot more boxes, and by the next day I have a lot more boxes. Because I constantly, like hours and hours on a computer, on a cell phone, on eBay and Amazon, on those weird websites, looking for unique tools and gadgets. It's just fun. I love it. And in the near future, I will be putting them to the test. Might be not even near future, because if I upload every other day or every day, still some of these gadgets will not get a spotlight for 6 to 8 months. You just never know what I'm inspired to put to the test. And I already have a lot of gadgets in line. So what I do is come up, I'm like, oh, I feel like I'm doing gadget this one for my second channel. Or I feel like doing kitchen gadgets and I want these ones. Or I feel like doing soap videos because I'm busy all day and it's going to be a super easy video. But this one has to be soon because it's a trend on TikTok, so you gotta do trendy stuff as soon as you get them. You see what I'm saying? Non-trendy stuff like these tools and stuff, I can take my time filming them. So hopefully you guys like this, a little bit of behind the scenes of stuff, and also a sneak peek for the future videos. And also hopefully you enjoy this little cigarette collection things, because I don't feel like I want to do separate videos for it, but hopefully you guys going to enjoy it in this unboxing video also. And hopefully you enjoy this silver unique stackers unboxing as well. Maybe if I find something also unique from those things, I'm only going to unbox them and feature them on this video, because it's such a miscellaneous and unique stuff. I don't even know where else to stick it to make a whole video of them. By the way, I have something super cool. Oh! By the way, for the next video, I guess I'll leave it to you. This is silver rounds, super uniques. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video again, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully you guys gonna come back for the next unboxing of weird stuff on eBay or Amazon, like a preview gadgets.